Hello and welcome back to the Tegiwa YouTube channel. I'm joined with Matt again and I'm Dave, and today we're going to fit some new wheels to Matt's M2 Competition. So Matt,
yes,
for the people that haven't seen your car before, just briefly tell me what it is.
Yes, this is my M2 Competition. You've seen this before on the intake video that we did a few months ago. This car's got a bit of a split personality really, because I like to take it on a lot of track days, but I also want to keep it nice and comfy for the road. So at the moment, and for the last few months, it's been sat on some Yokohama A052 semi-slicks, just on the standard wheels that I'm going to be using for track. But I've been waiting to get some road wheels, which are finally here. So I've gone for some Apex VS-5s, which will be opening in a second, and also some of these Continental SportContact 7s. These are being reviewed really well by all M-car community at the moment, and lots of other cars as well. So we thought we'd give them a try. We've also gone for Apex's recommended fitment for this car, which is 19 by 9.5 fronts ET28, and then 19 by 10.5 ET45 for the rear. So a little bit more aggressive, a little bit wider, but still well within the limits of, it's I'm not going to have to roll any arches or flare or anything or worry about any contact.
So I'm sure you want to see what's inside, Matt, because you've been waiting a while, haven't you?
Yeah, I've been waiting these have been here a couple of weeks and I've not been able to get here, so.
Let's give you the box and let you do.
Thank you very much.
The honours, and may I present to you a blade, sir.
Thank you very much. Safety first.
They are packaged nice.
I'll take this box away, Dave. Oh, just grab that for me.
Do you want the centre cap?
Little shower cap, look.
Oh.
So I've gone for the VS-5s. These are flow formed, hyper black wheel colour. So the reason I went for this hyper black is because it matches the sort of the shadow chrome effect that's on the standard wheels. So it should look really good against the, the darker sunset orange paint. So some nice features about these are that they come with the centre caps, but you can also use the BMW centre caps, which is what I'm going to do, to make them look a bit more sort of OEM plus. You can use the standard valves, you can use standard rubber valves, you can use your standard TPMS, everything that you can fit on your standard wheel, you can fit on these. But I've gone for these stubbier valves, these Apex valves, in a similar sort of colour, so that they don't show up and spoil the look.
They're nice. They're part of the Evolution line range of wheels, aren't they? So they're nice, and you can see where the weight's been saved because they've milled away these spokes here. So the weight's where it needs to be to make them as solid as they can, but then where they don't need the weight, they've milled it away to make them lighter. So
yeah, so Apex has done a really good technical video of why these flow formed wheels are, the design differences between that and the forged wheels, and sort of where they're different, where they're the same. And they've gone through all sorts of things like the amount of flex they have and everything like that.
Flow forming is a wheel manufacturing process where a high-strength A356 aluminum casting is spun on a mandrel while high-pressure rollers stretch and shape the barrel into its final form. This technique improves grain structure and material consistency, creating a wheel with superior performance characteristics over a traditional cast wheel.
Really, really good company. They're run by BMW enthusiasts and owners, Volkswagen enthusiasts and owners, things like that. So they run these wheels on their own car. They have recommended setups. They base them around the cars themselves, not just, trying to, make a universal fitment. These are the recommended ones for this car. So that's what we've gone with.
So I think it's time to mount the tyres to the alloys.
It's time to fire up the Acti.
Fire up the Acti, let's go.
We get the wrong clientele.
This is right nice.
That's right nice.
How is there still so much room?
Let's put them.
Yeah, but
Oh, easy as that.
Okay, so that's the Acti loaded up. As you can see, it's a mint vehicle for loads of space left in here, isn't
I can't
there?
believe how big the beds are on these, to be fair.
So good. So yeah, we've got the Contis in the back, the Apexes. Me and Matt are going to head to the tyre shop now and get the tyres put on the rims. So let's do that and we'll see you in 10 minutes or so.
Hopefully. Fire up the Acti.
She purrs. Okay, let's go. Right, onward. Oh.
I've given her all she's got, Captain. She's not.
Why does it sound like a motorbike?
I don't know. Not looking good, Brev.
At least it's downhill on the way back.
Yeah.
Back to Tegiwa to get them fitted. Let's go.
Right, that's the tyres fitted to the wheels. Let's get them on the car.
I can feel the reduction in unsprung weight already.
Okay, so in typical British fashion, it has started raining, so we've had to bring the car inside. One of the other features that we wanted to point out about these Apex wheels, there's a couple actually. These lug holes are really nice and wide, so they make space for, you know, decent size impact sockets, so you're not going to worry about scratching them when you torque them up or anything like that. Another feature is that Apex wheels are compatible with OEM centre caps. They do come with these Apex ones if you wanted to run those. I'd like to swap over to the OEM ones, but there is one thing to note if you want to do that. So these are my original 788M wheels. These wheels are 5x120 and these caps are a certain size. Now these VS-5s use a smaller cap, but that's the same size as the 5x112 BMW wheels, so that's like if you knew a 1 and 2 series. I've just bought some of these floating caps to fit in there. I'm going to give them a go because they were pretty cheap for what they are. So I'm going to pop those in now and then see what they look like on the car. So just going to pop them out, and then these will just push in. We've got a little weight on the back there, and that just, every time you stop and take a picture of your car, if you're a tart like me, the BMW badge will be the right way up on the wheels. That's it. So as we roll the wheel, it should stay as upright. So there we go. So now let's fit it on the car. Okay, one down, 3 to go.
So they're on. It slaps, doesn't it, Matt?
Yeah, I'm really happy with that. I think just because the amount of camera I'm running 3 degrees on the front with this, I could go away could get away with a 5mm spacer, which I may or may not do. Going back to the wheels video that we did, that's why I went for a higher offset, because it's easier to do that. These also do come in a ET22, so that would sit 6mm further out, which would probably fit just about perfect on this, so something to consider if you're running a similar setup to me. The rears fit really nice, so the tyre is quite meaty on there with it being a 295 on the 10.5J rims. I don't think I could get away with any more on that without a bit of contact perhaps, but yeah, super happy with that. Apex, I'm really happy with the recommended sizes for this car. And it looks, if nothing else, they're going to be so much easier to clean than the standard 788 competition wheels, because they've got little nooks and crannies everywhere. So yeah, really happy with them.
It's absolutely mega, and now you guys at home can see that Hyper Black isn't actually black, it's more of like a shadow chrome style.
Yeah, that's it. I think you could call it a shadow chrome, because mine's got the plus pack on this car. It comes with the tinted lacquer over the top of the standard chrome diamond cut wheels, so it really matches that finish and makes it look really nice and OEM plus, like Apex is known for, really.
Finally, I'm going to apologise to Matt on camera, because when we were unboxing the wheels, he whipped out some floating centre caps, and I said to Matt, I said, it's not a f***ing Rolls Royce. I take it back, they're actually sick. They're not as spinny as I thought, but it's an awesome little touch. Genuine BMW as well,
yeah,
but it means when I take pictures, they're always going to be...
That's it. It means that, you know, I've done it before. I'm a bit of a tart. I like to take pictures of my car. You know, I've been guilty before taking the handbrake off and just rolling the wheel around, putting it back up just to make sure it's straight. So, yeah, just make sure it's straight every time.
Yeah, sorry about that, Matt.
I take it, yeah.
I'm going to buy some for mine now. But yeah, thank you for watching. If you do want a set of Apex wheels, then go check out Tegiwa.com, our wheels and tyres section. We've got the wheels available, all of Apex range, tyres. Yeah, thanks for watching. Thank you to Matt for coming down, and we'll see you in the next one. Ciao for now. Do a DMO shift for us.
You ain't shifting like me! This has got quite a serious misfire, this truck.